no, don't. She doesn't know what's going on. Wait, get your fingers away from there. Get your fingers. Watch. Now watch. She has no idea what it is. Watch. I know. Watch. She's looking in the garage, the thing. She's like, "What is this button? What's she doing?" Mommy! Tell her to push it. Say, push it. Push it.
No, I want to do it.
Oh. Yes, but we surprised her. Show her how to close it. Here, she wanted to push the button. Show her how to close it. Show her how do you know how to close it?
No.
Show her.
I don't know how to close it. Am I in enough?
Oh yeah. Show her how to close it.
Close it for Mama?
Okay, that got ruined.
Just close it. You want me to go back out? You want me
Here,
to
go in the car with Mommy. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on.
Don't touch that. Here.
Let her do it. She's gonna do it.
Alright, close the door. Let's go back out.
Wait. Don't get that to her when you're backing out because that gets pushed. That will crash. Wait till you get out. Then, you know what I'm saying? Like, don't have their hands driving through that. All right, take two. All right. Here we go. Ready? One more time. All right. Here they are. They're home. What's going to happen? Who's going to push the button? Is Cassie push this time? There we go. Hopefully this makes her a little happier. Do you know how to shut it though, Al?
No, I don't.
There you go. Excellent.
I'm afraid I'm gonna drive out
Good job.
with the door.
All right.
Do I keep it here?
Yeah, you can shut the car off unless you want to go ahead, gas us
Carbon
all.
monoxide?
Perfect.